One video was never enough, so I had to make another one. This is my freestyle song, acapella. And if you decide that you really like it so much, there's a little button for that at the end. It's boring in a basement. I live underground because the sun is always too bright, and I had to decide. Oh my gosh, I think I saw my cat running to the door. But sitting here randomly singing a song about nothing that is still about everything all at once. My cat is over there sleeping on the couch. She looks rather peaceful. I don't know what to sing about. Don't know what I'm doing. Maybe there's a reason you shouldn't drink coffee in 15 Mountain Dews. Who knows? You never know. There's a random song about everything and nothing and everything that's going on right now. Random things on the TV aren't any good, and I think I found a cloud, and I got stuck in the middle of the song. Yeah, and then this is a song about everything and nothing, 'cause people said I didn't have much to talk about. But if I can't talk, then maybe I can sing. Singing about absolutely nothing. 'Cause it's fun to be doing nothing. But I guess this isn't nothing.